In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic US sales tax collection by state in Shopify. Start by logging in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the sidebar and click Settings. This opens the main settings area for your store. In the Settings menu, click Taxes and Duties. On this page, you'll see a section called Manage Sales Tax Collection, where Shopify lists countries and regions available for tax setup. Under Manage Sales Tax Collection, click the United States region to open the tax settings for the US. This takes you to the US tax configuration page. At the top, you'll see a section called Regions you're collecting in. This is where your active state registrations will appear once they've been added. To add your first state, click Collect in New State in the Regions you're collecting in section. A drop-down will appear. Select the state where you're registered to collect sales tax. After that, click into the Sales Tax ID field and enter your sales tax ID for that state. Give that moment room on screen while the ID is typed into the field, since this links your registration to that state's tax collection setup. When the entry is complete, click Collect Taxes to confirm. The state will now appear in the regions you're collecting in list. Once it's listed there, Shopify will automatically calculate the correct tax rate for orders shipped to that state. Now repeat the same process for every state where you have a sales tax registration. Click Collect in New State again, choose the next state from the dropdown, then enter that state's sales tax ID carefully in the field. Click Collect Taxes to add it. Continue through each registered state one at a time so each one appears in the collection list at the top of the page. After your states have been added, scroll down to the bottom of the page to the Global Tax Settings area. Here, review the Charge Sales Tax on Shipping toggle. Enable it if your states require sales tax to be applied to shipping charges. Then review the Include Tax and Product Prices option. For standard US pricing, where tax is added during checkout rather than built into the listed price, leave this turned off. At this point, your setup is complete. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. You should now see your registered states listed under regions you're collecting in on the United States tax page. Each state entry shows the state name and its sales tax ID, and Shopify will automatically calculate and collect the correct sales tax at checkout for orders shipped to those states.